Today I'm going to show you how to add images and text in OBS. We're going to jump straight over here into sources. We're going to click on the plus icon and we are going to jump into images first. So once you click on image, you will now be able to give it a name, click on OK, and here you will have to look for your image. So let's go ahead and click on browse. We've got our image over here and now we can just go ahead and click on OK. You'll see that this is what our image looks like, and we can resize this image over here by simply using the lines on the side of the image itself. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Right, now it is snapped to the edge, and this is what it looks like. Now you can go and change what this actually looks like when it's displayed. So let's say the image you want to remove temporarily while you are screen recording, like I currently am right now. You can literally use this little eyeball icon to hide and show your image. Now let's go into the plus icon again, and right over here we are looking for text. Now, again, you can type in whatever name you'd like to give it, click on OK, and here we are going to type in what we would like to say. So let's go and say subscribe, and then you can choose your font. So click on select font, go ahead, look for a font that you would like, choose the font style as well as the size, and then we are going to say OK. You can now see that's what it looks like. You can also then go and change the text transformation over here. So you can make it uppercase, lowercase, or the start case. And then we have the color. So we can click on select color. Let's make it red. And let's say OK. And then we can select a background color, which is currently black. Let's say that we want to make it this weird yellow color. And let's say OK. And then we are going to go and align it either left, center, or right. And then your vertical alignment, either top, center, or bottom. We're going to make it bottom for now. And then we can click on OK. Now, of course, you can see that you can change the size of it, as you can see right here. And you can also click down and you can move it around. Okay, so let's say we want our video to look like this. There we go. Now we've got text and image right here on our display while we're recording. And it doesn't matter where we go. Once you are seeing this over here, you'll be able to turn this on and off as you are able to turn off all of your sources.